Hello, I'm Neil Screeton, owner of Screeton's Limited Chartered Accountants. The 2014 budget did not provide a lot of change for small and micro businesses in the UK. However, a few things were changed, and I'll sort of summarise them briefly, and also summarise some things that were mentioned previous to the budget which have now come into effect. One of the main things for businesses was that the annual investment allowance was increased from £250,000 to £500,000. Now, unfortunately for most small businesses this makes not a lot of difference, really going towards the bigger companies, but still it's something to be noted. One thing for small business owners was that the personal allowance it did go up. It went up to £10,000 from this April, and will go up by a further £500 from April 2015. Also, the higher rate tax bracket was increased to around £41,000 and will increase further just past £42,000 next year. So, slight increase in the basic rate band there. Other than that, there are a lot of things which kicked in from April 14 which had previously been announced. For example, the VAT registration threshold rose to 81,000, which is good news for businesses which are trying to avoid having to register for VAT. Deregistration threshold went up to 79,000 also. The employment allowance for small employers kicked in from the 1st of April. That's £2,000 off your employer's national insurance bill. If you are using the basic PAYE tools, the HM Revenue and Customs software, please be sure to tick the box when it asks you whether you want to claim this. Most employers are eligible, so make sure to do that. One thing that didn't get a lot of notice was that capital gains tax, if you sell a property that you once lived in, previously you got the last 3 years of ownership capital gains tax exempt. That has been reduced now to 18 months. So it's one thing to bear in mind when you're doing any calculations of how much capital gains tax you may have to pay. Final thing really is that there was an announcement in the budget about Class 2 national insurance. Now, they're not going to change whether that's payable or not, but what they're going to do is include payment of it within the self-assessment system, so that will be payable by 31st of January as opposed to monthly by direct debit or every 6 months by bill. Now, if there's any issues in what came up in the budget that you wish to discuss, wish to know more about, then please don't hesitate to contact us at info@screetons.co.uk, visit the website www.screetons.co.uk, or give us a call 01827 715 264. Thank you.